YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another exciting video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing and speaking to the CURLSMITH The Moisture recipe. This is a moisture memory activator. I did use it to get today's look. I'm feeling really optimistic and excited the way my hair came out due to I did do a fresh trim. If you follow the channel, you'll know that I had spoke about my hair needing a trim, and I can definitely see the difference. I'm going to share with you the products that I did use along with this, but this is going to be the main focus for this particular video. I'll read you some of the attributes on this. It can be used as a leave-in conditioner and also like a daily revitalizer. Use it as a leave-in conditioner on the hair to achieve this particular look. I'm going to share with you some of the attributes and what this leave-in is supposed to do. I will be using this as a daily revitalizer. Usually when I style the hair, my hair will usually last for a good week. I do pineapple it up. I pineapple it up at night, and I'll wake up and just kind of hydrate, but the hair looks really great. I'll share with you what I use as far as my moisturizer, shampoo, and conditioner. But this is a revitalizing spray for curly, wavy, or dry hair. It says it's a super lightweight leave-in spray, perfect to refresh curls, moisturize, and bring them life back. And it is more like a cream. It's lightweight. It revitalizes curls. It works as a primer. It's best for fine hair, and it's also protein free. Vegan, no sulfates, no parabens, and it's cruelty free. The hand-picked ingredients are mashed avocado, torn sage and basil, apricot kernel oil, resurrection flower, and sunflower petals. It says our mission recipes are naturally curly, friendly, and gentle enough for daily use. So I will be using this daily, like I mentioned. I will leave a little note a couple days after this video actually posts with how the hair manage using it daily just as like a moisturizer. Now I'm going to show you the texture. It's a spray. It's more like a cream base. You'll see how thick it is. So it's not as wet. So I'm hoping that I can use this every day and it will actually hold the curl, versus it having, when you use more sprays that are more oiled, it'll tend to change the texture of my hair and make it like afro, and it won't have, from me doing the actual, I did the rods on the hair, it wouldn't have the actual, you know, the separate curls. It wouldn't give me, I would have more like an afro look. And I'll just leave maybe a picture or something what my hair looks like when it's in its like afro form. So we'll see. But I love the smell. I love the texture. Value of this is $24.99. It is the 8 fluid ounce. I did receive this in my curl box. We'll link in the cards the unboxing of this, and I'll also leave the direct video where I shared this and a little bit about CurlBox. If you're not familiar with CurlBox, I'll leave that video link above. But if you've ever used the CURLSMITH products, I really like this one. I was actually thinking about getting into trying some of their other products because I really love this one. But if you have a more textured natural hair, let me know what products you use, the CURLSMITH, or which you suggest or which you really like. But overall, I really like this conditioner. I really did. But to wash the hair to get this look, I just did my simple I trimmed the hair, which was well needed. I trimmed my ends, and I used the Shea Moisture Coconut Daily Hydration Shampoo, and this is a biggie. One is a 34 fluid ounce. I did pick this up from my local Sam's Club. If you shop at like Sam's Club, I guess, or Costco, check their hair care aisles for the large jumbo size products. So I purchased this. It's been a while ago. I did show it when in one of the other videos. I then followed up with my Maui Moisture Shine and a Wapui conditioner. I do have a product review on this. I will leave that linked in the cards above and also below in the description box if you want to see what I thought about these products. And then of course, I detangled the hair using my Tangle Teaser, and I followed up with the CURLSMITH Memory Moisture Reactivator. I used a generous amount of this, taking this from root to tip, and then I just rod set using my standard rods, and I use the Shea Moisture, the Alikay. I love this. This is one of my favorite moisturizers. It's the shea butter. It seals moisture into the hair. It has the raw shea butter in it, which I absolutely love, and it smells amazing. This actually smells amazing as well. So I use that, and these are the results. I really love it. I mean, my hair is soft. It's very lightweight. I also noticed that I didn't have, sometimes I'll get like I have like flakes in the hair. There was absolutely no flakes in the hair. The hair is actually easy to separate, if you can see that. Just very, very beautiful, soft and lightweight. So I'm going to try this with some of my other moisturizers, but like I mentioned, I will leave a note in the description box in a few days just to share how my hair felt and reacted to this, using it as like a daily revitalizer on this style. So as always, please make sure you rate, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.